friends with Miranda? Molly, come here! Go say hi to Miranda, Molly. Go say hi to kitty cat. Go say hi to kitty cat. Molly! Molly! No! Molly! 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 Oh wait! This way, Molly. Max! Max! Good boy. Kitty! Molly, kitty! Kitty, Molly! Let's go say hi to Miranda. Hi, Miranda! Oh. Hey, Skim. I got it. It's okay, Mom. Oh my goodness.
Wait. Sit down. Sit. Hey, sit.
We don't bite and sit, Max.
Sit, Max.
Go get the ball, Molly. She's like, you have a camera. I wouldn't be on camera.
Oh, here comes Max. Molly, look.
Molly!
Get. Oh.
And she just wants to be on camera.
Like,
She's a ham. Hold on, let me put this on my wrist. So remember last time Molly did. Alright, we're ready. You ready, Patrick? You got it. Go get it, Molly! Get it, Max. Get it, Max.
he's waiting patient. And goes after it.
Fumble!
Max took it.
Yay, Max! You stole it! Oh, tackle! Did he steal the ball?
Yeah.
Did you take it out of his mouth?
Yeah. You're totally yes looking right now.
Let's recharge the battery. Cook it!
No, now that dirt.
Max! Cook it.
Nice looking one.
Oh, that's a dope. He's got it, Molly. Get ready, Molly. Get ready. Get ready, Molly. Bring it here, Max! Did you just drop it again?
Dropped it.
Bring it here, Patrick!
Don't hit Kim, guys. Don't hit Kim.
Don't think they noticed.
Didn't see it, did they?
No.
Oh! Try to trip me. Try to trip me up, huh, Molly?
Sit!
Yeah.
Molly!
Max, Molly, sit.
Good job. Go get it!
Yeah. Max, see it. Oh. Max. Max. Oh. I think I threw it too far.
You do. You throw it like a girl.
Sit. Sit. Good job.
Good girl.
Max got it. Now you're gonna play wrestle.
What are you doing, Max? Max, get ready, Max! Get it, Max! Get it!
And Molly,
Bring it here, Max!
Max like, oh, I want to just be on camera.
And he doesn't have it. You guys are not doing... No, we don't lick the sprinkler. No. No, Max! Is that a good idea? No. Good stick you got, Max. Don't hurt each other. Maybe I just broke it. Oh, you guys gonna lay down and chew on it together? No, Molly's gonna steal it. Molly! Look at her, she's so proud of herself.
Max,
What you got, Molly? Did you stick, Molly? Go get it, Molly! Bring it in. Oh, she actually dropped the stick.
They're like, hey, you stole it. Where is it? I'm gonna start fighting you now. Fight, fight, fight.
Oh my god. Oh, they're confused by the apples. Oh, did you see that? Midnight? No. I'm putting it up on YouTube. Huh, Max? Max, what are you doing? Okay, let's not take video of that.